What's up, everybody? Zach Lucero here with Philong Toyota. Check out the 23 SR5 4Runner lifted up with some custom wheels and oversized tires ready to go. You've got the off-road basket up top, Predator drop steps, keyless entry on the front doors. This is a 4-liter V6 with a 5-speed transmission. It does have the blackout badging. Looks super good. It comes with the 4Runner Toyota cooler, which is kind of cool. Or 120 volt outlet with a 12 volt. Let's get a good look at that blackout package here. Check that out. That looks super wicked. 5,000 pounds max towing capacity. God, that looks mean. Super aggressive. Very spacious, very comfortable, to be honest with you. This drives super smooth. It has a tight turning radius, which I absolutely love, especially about 4Runners. All-weather floor liners throughout. You do have the Predator drop steps, power seats with lumbar support, automatic high beams, you name it. Lane tracing assist, dynamic radar cruise control. This is compatible with Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto upon plugging into the USB there. Power sliding rear windshield. That's another huge plus for the 4Runner. It's your 4x4 controls there. So rather plain Jane inside, but just look at that. That is super aggressive. Looks super mean. Custom wheels, oversized tires. What an absolute beast. Let me know what you think of this 4Runner here. It is a 23, brand new. I'm seeing special rates right now, special finance rates on the 23 4Runners. So if you have any interest, get at me ASAP and maybe we can get you that invoice pricing. Have a great day.